Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website. Let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. You can claim this much Doge every 2 minutes, 50 time claim per day. First of all, just put your faucet pay wallet address, just put email address. Okay, just solve this little capture. After that, just solve this capture. Is a 1, it's 4, it's 10 and 8, and just wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, this website pay you instantly to your faucet pay, and you can see a lot of people making their withdrawals from this website, and just click get reward. Okay, and this website pay you instantly, and you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay to check you this website pay you or not. Okay, this is my faucet page. Just I reload the page and come down, and you can see I receive my payment instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. You can click and solve the caption and you can easily make money. Bye bye for now.